How to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. Want to start coding in Python using Visual Studio Code? In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the setup process. Let's jump in. First, if you haven't already downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com, it's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Next, you need to have Python installed on your system, so download the latest version from python.org. And during installation, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This ensures that Python is accessible from the command line. Now open Visual Studio Code and go to the extensions and press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. In the search bar, type Python and install the extension provided by Microsoft. This extension adds features like IntelliSense and debugging support for Python. Let's create a new Python file. So click on File, New File, and save it with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. In this file, write a simple Python program like print hello world. This code will print hello world when executed. To ensure that Visual Studio Code uses the correct Python interpret, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. Type Python, select Interpreter, and choose the version of Python you installed. This sets the environment for your project. Now you can run your Python program. Open the terminal in VS Code by going to View, Terminal, and pressing Ctrl plus backtick in the terminal. Type Python hello.py. Press enter and you should see hello world displayed in the terminal. And that's it. You've successfully set up Visual Studio Code for Python development. If you have any questions or need further help, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.